Hey guys, Dave here. I was watching a game the other night and got a hankering for some sweet and spicy chicken wings. I made these up a few years ago and they came out so good and thought I'd do a redo and share it with you. So without further ado, let's get started. So right off the old bat, I'm going to throw about 10 chicken wings into a bowl, and I got these on sale, which is even gooder. And we'll season this up with a bit of salt, I'd say, about a teaspoon or so. And of course some ground black pepper, and I'm going to lay this on fairly thick, teaspoon and a half, 2 teaspoons. Some garlic powder, I'd say about a teaspoon of that. You can also use minced garlic too, which would work well. Another teaspoon of onion powder. And of course another teaspoon of smoked paprika. Grab up the old spoon and mix everything together until it is nicely combined and that chicken is covered. Next up, I'm going to heat some oil up to about 350 degrees and we'll toss that chicken in and fry it up until it is a beautiful golden brown. Now I should add, you might have to do this in a couple of batches. After a few minutes we're all cooked up here and you can pretty much tell by the color, so we'll just pull these out and set them aside on a wire rack to drain off any of that excess oil. Okay, now that chicken is all done, I'm going to throw about 4 tablespoons of butter into a pan over medium heat and just kind of do the whirl and swirl and let this melt down. I mean, there's nothing more exciting than watching butter melt. Then we're going to throw in a couple of tablespoons of honey. And I should add, if you can, use a good honey. Follow that with a good 4 tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. I just love this stuff. Once again, stirring, we will go until that honey combines with that Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. Yum, this is going to be so good. And I mean, you don't necessarily have to use the Frank's. You can use the hot sauce of your choice. I just like the Frank's. And you know what? For a bit of a pop and some extra flavor, I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice. I don't know, about a teaspoon, I suppose. And give everything a stir one more time. And you probably guessed it by now, we're going to throw those chicken wings into that sauce we just made up. Grab up the old tongs and we'll just give these a toss around. I guess I should have used Teflon tips, but I'm being careful. And I mean, these are looking and smelling ever so good, my friends. I mean, just look at that. Wings do not get much better. And there you have it, my friends. It doesn't get much easier. Some quick and easy buffalo wings. Great for a Friday night or a game night. Of course, to make these all fancy-dancy and restaurant-like, I'm going to throw these into my basket. I mean, you just got to impress everybody coming over, don't you? Of course, to make them really look good, we got to garnish these up with some chives or whatever greenage you have kicking around. And you bite into these are so good. They're hot, they're spicy, they're sweet, everything you could ever imagine. If you do make them up, leave us a comment, love to read them. Give us a like as it helps the channel out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.